It's gonna be a long day. Huh? Wow! She's here! The queen has arrived! Hey, you! Me? Hi! Wait for me!
Always.
That was embarrassing. So, walk me to class.
Aren't you forgetting something?
What? Oops. Hey, dearie. Sorry, I didn't see you there. A little breeze, a fruity mocktail, and zero stress. This is a life. I'm not sweating. I'm melting at this point. Is that air? Real moving air? Oh, yep, I'll come to your rescue. Whoa! Turn that thing to low! Does it feel better? Not the protein I want to eat. Oops. That was intense. Oh boy. I'm sorry. I know how to help. Here, use this. Wow! Finally! My very own sun shield! Glad that worked. Oh, hey! Oh no! My fan stopped working! I'm too fabulous to sweat! Huh? It's my turn to help. Okay, I'll just give this back. This might do the trick. I wouldn't be so sure about that. Oh, definitely not. Aha! I spy with my little eye one oversized umbrella for one overheated diva. He's still sleeping like a baby. Come on, I'm just borrowing it for a friend in need. Whew, this was heavy. Wow, thanks. This really saved the day. Yay! Both of us have our sunbrellas now. It's time to chillax. Couldn't agree more. Yay! Whew. May the fastest win. Which, let's be real, is obviously me.
Okay, get ready to race.
Don't trip on all that confidence. Huh? Ready to lose to someone half your size?
3.
Let's do this!
Oh, 2.
This'll be a piece of cake.
1. Go!
Power walk mode activated. I'm serving looks, not just laps. My legs are moving, but the finish line isn't! I'm basically winning in slow motion. Ready for my trophy. Yay! Huh? Can anyone see where she is? Huh? Is this a race or a survival test? This must be what hiking feels like. I feel so bad for her. Hey, this is a friendly competition anyway. Just watch my plan in motion. Ruby who? I'm a beggar now. Good sir, would you help a girl in need? One little coin is all I ask. Please, just one.
Ugh, fine. You look desperate.
Yay! Thanks! One good deed coming right up. For the fiercest little racer I know. Almost there! And yay! You broke the record! Don't lie to me! I made a fool out of myself! Actually, you won! Here's your medal. What? Really? How? Don't answer that! I'll take the win! Whoa! Let's hear it for our champion! Ooh, you know what? The champ needs chips. Immediately. Let's get snacking. Yum! Ugh, not again! It's like the flies have a vendetta against me! Go away! Who? Me? No, the fly. Bzz. They really like you, huh? How come you're not bothered? I'll get that for ya! Hi-ya! Huh? What the? Oops. Sorry. But I got rid of the fly. Well, not really. It's on your cheek now. Huh? Uh-oh. Are you okay? Yeah. Thanks, I guess. No worries. I'll do it again if I see another one. Maybe don't. Hey! How was your weekend? I went to the mall. I went to the hair salon. They gave me this. Achoo! Achoo! Stop spraying! Why? It's achoo! Triggering achoo! Ah, your allergies! I'm terribly sorry. Whoa! Ugh. Thanks. Yikes. Achoo! No! I can't believe this is happening! Oh, my bad. I'm so sorry. Here, another napkin. Ugh, my day is officially ruined at this point. I feel so bad. I hate exam days. I know this one. I can't remember anything. I'm so gonna fail this class. And now I don't even have a pencil to write with. My pencil gave up on me, too. Huh? Looks like she studied well. I'm ace in this test. Psst. Got a spare pencil? Here. Whoa! How am I supposed to write with that? It's the size of my head. But thanks anyway. Ugh, it's so heavy, too. I can't control it. Whoa! Ouch! Huh? She does this all the time. Hey! It's not my fault your stuff is extra, extra large! Anyway, no biggie. How to help? Oh, I know. I'll make colored pencils for her. Using my tall girl toothpicks, of course. This set will be the perfect size. Hey, I got you something. They're so cute. Wow! Thank you! You just saved my exam! Turns out I knew the answers all along. Here! I'm ready to get my grade! Ooh! I passed, right? An F? This has to be a typo! No! Whoa! Even my pencil couldn't handle that scream. Oops. Oh no. Can't let her fail because of me. Aha! Light bulb moment. This cutie pencil will surely cheer her up. And it's so soft and squishy. I call her Honey Bunny. Ready to meet your new owner? I can't see it. Aw, it's adorable. Let's just hope it helps me pass with an A. Thank you so much. My pleasure. Ugh, so itchy. Are those snacks? Yep, for you. I don't want them. It's strawberry chocolate. Fine, I'll take a bite. Or two. Or three. I knew this was your favorite flavor. Can't believe I almost said no to a giant donut. So good. Yep. Huh? What's that? Ugh, is the couch haunted? What's wrong? Earthquake? Nope. Just your phone. This thing's basically a flat-screen TV. Oh, thanks. Hey, what's up? Whoa! A plot twist! Uh-huh. I see. I'm trying to talk here. Ugh, fine. Look! They're gonna kiss! I'm putting you on a timeout. Huh? Awesome! Thank you! Phew. Where were we?